Sanibonani ninjani bantu base South Africa South Africa. We are here on another episode produced by South Squad X. Another episode of Blind Dates. And then before ngicala le episode futhi, I'm complaining about ama salaries wale South Squad X. Ama operators cabanga ngisho ama rights kulama video lawo. Mina nje ngingumuntu lana osebenza for free. Umuntu engizomkhola out before siqale Blind Dates ngicala nguKarabo X Kid.
Deny.
Lone sifombo lolo mfene emnyama le. This monkey. Second one. Ile alien ebizwa ngosibale le. Spesihle. Lento le count inegwegwe lento le. Next. Le ninja turtle le ebizwa ngotebuho. This hoe. Shamazaza this net. Nale net enesenede eceleni kwayo. uGodzilla. Hulk. Calling them out. Ngeke. Oh, Maraya, back to the things now. Namhlanje ngiphethe Blind Dates inswemu. Ayiswa, ngiphethe umuntu wama-tape. Nayazi tape itura kanjani? Ngiphethe omunye wama-twist, ama-hands, shay happy's. Ngiyayibona le i-1 million le. Ile nekhelayo ngamanzi ashisayo. Ninjani? Wena boy?
Great.
Awugrand dog?
Great.
Dog. Mina lana nama set of rules man. Antshelana amagama and share private information. But in Afrikaans near private informatie.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Ne? So, first question. Kala ngokel. Kel, what are your red flags in a guy?
Fana skin chin. Fana khuluma namantombazana kakhulu. Yeah. Those.
Mzile dog.
Yeah.
Understand what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Wena ama red flags wakho yini?
Awukile uphaphayo. Nongakwazi ukuyiphatha kahle.
Umuntu ongcolile. Hi. Nibazwile. Now, second question. What are your green flags? Like ngicophakamisa voice. Benirasa la ngaphandle. Awunawo ama green flags? Dog wena ama green flags?
I'm understanding.
Mara why slow? Ngithe yini ama green flags wakho uthi ama understanding?
Yeah.
Like ngifuka ukuthi ufunani kugela, ufunani kugela.
Ungathi kubuthi ama green flags wami kuntombazana.
Of course mina intombazana ubani ofuna ama green flags? Wena uyasifuna wena? Okay, ama green flags okay ke kuwe.
Light skinned.
Okay.
Short. Yeah man, abe muhle.
Okay. Before siqhubeka laphayana, here's another question. What are your love languages? Yini ilimi lakho lothando?
Physical touch.
Yes. Ufuna umuntu ozokutotososa. Wena guy?
Physical.
Any physical kule relationship. We, ngithanda ukubamba. Okay, sidluliseni lapha. Niyabezwa. So far ntombazana umameli voice yalo mfana is your type? Yes ne. Wena guy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Match made in heaven. Mara kuphi lapha enodelegha. But yeah, so ngizonibambisa izandla ne. Ceda ngibiza le mfene lezama operate. Kuthi zizonichacha. Awufuni? Angikhakho ne. Uzombona kahle phela. Okay, ngicela ngibolekeni izandla zenu. Beka la wena boy. Ngida ngibika lesi. Okay. You monkeys. Uzai. Operators asinalanga man. Oh. Zenje chama boy la, hlulekile. Okay. 3, 2, Iman. 1. Aye. Yo. To my way. Wait. Salapanti. What's happened now? Yo. Usa adjust mfana. Girl,
No.
is this your time?
No.
Guy?
No.
I don't think he will come back again.
No.
No. Yes. Sis. Okay, Mchele, what's your problem with her?
Yonkinto.
Yeah?
Ayichaye.
Pinda?
Yonkinto.
Yonkinto. Okay, ngicela uyi-break it down.
Opposite type yami.
Yeah?
Opposite type yami.
Just that, uzama ukuthi movie. Ha? Baru opposite. Just that.
Asabangani uyazi.
Back friends zona ku blind dates. How do you feel?
Singabangani vele.
Mara when again, how do you feel about the guy? Mtana abantu funa ukhala. Like, hayi, yini inkinga? Shy tape, light skin boy, short, funa amadark. Sibale, funa amadark. Hi, okay, yeah, dogs. Calo rate okay.
Great.
And be honest. Snelite detector says la. Ambolo yamlungu loy.
Tanagariteki. Agariteki.
Yeah?
Agariteki.
Akariteki.
Amubi.
Yo, movie. Just us. Yo. But to pull out my skills obuhle. The way moving akhona.
Things are bad today. It's not a lecture room.
No, me I'm just translating my operate. Nya translate umsebenzi wami loyo. Wena ngicela umrate.
-0.
-0. Dog. That's the point. Akusi number. It's irrational. Wazini ukuba irrational wena? Ububi bakho ku-irrational. Yo, but okay. You heard it from the peoples. Is this a match?
Nangifuna siba bangani.
Yo, go blind dating, back friend zone. Yo, and that's another episode of South Korea's Blind Dates. Friend zone vision. At this point, you're like my brother. So yeah, I see Valen Lab. Sanbonani, welcome to another post-interview by South X. Mara, this is not an interview. It's like a therapy session. That's why I'm going to my house. Dog, how was your experience with South X? Movie, dog.
Anatelela.
Satelela.
Hayi, ningibona nje nibona yena.
Yo,
Ngiyahetha.
just says.
Ngiyahetha.
Kahle wena bofuna umuntu onjani?
Light skinned, short, into ebukekayo.
Oh, kahle giving those types.
Ngamphike ebantwini lo yamuntu.
Just says. Ungamenza
Mphika.
ungamphika.
Zabheka phambili phambili ngenza.
Amara dog, sabonga for you, support yakho. Mara, damn movie. She's ass.
Aningizamilweni omunye hayi.
Oh, mara ungabuye sakutholele shaka. Awungawazi. Ngizokukhukhela. And that was a show. Second post interview of the day, X therapy sessions. Mara, as many given a podcast. ngibiza nge-therapy sessions. Imagine South Squad X, therapy sessions with your boy, Dead Predator 2008. Yo, mara ma-era. Mara girl, unjani? Ngicela uphakamisa voice.
You're right.
Zithini, how was South Squad X? How's your experience? What's the one? Umfana bekanjani?
Alright, just that light skinned.
Or inking light skinness, ne? I understand. So, mas ngakutholela i-dark skin, ungabuya la ku South Squad X, man.
Yeah, ngabuya.
Ungabuya? Okay, you heard it from the lady. Was it a match, man?
I never.
Aksiyona. It's not the one. So, we're gonna close these therapy sessions. Ngomnikeza ama prescriptions. Stay away from the light skins. I know them. Basabi. Nami ngiyawasaba amantombazana akhanyayo. They are dangerous. So yeah, siyabonga. Thanks for the support. South Squad X. Let's go.